Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about brows. I recently watched Alexandra's eyebrow video, which is very impressive because she made it so lovely and so simple steps. So I want to try it out myself. I will link her video in my description box, so do go there and check it out. In her video there were only 3 steps, and the result and the outcome is just amazing, absolutely amazing. I have the eyebrow powder ready, the soap ready. Now I have the same eyebrow tint pencil, which I really like it. Let's see if we can create the same eyebrows as she, presented in her video. Firstly, she used the eyebrow powder just to fill up and to start shaping the eyebrow. I'm using MAOGEPING eyebrow powder duo. So first, going to dip into the lighter color, use a angled brush. Same as her, to draw a line first and smudge upwards. Even there are gaps, but I think can be fixed later. And then she just used the soap. I'm not sure whether it was a normal soap or eyebrow soap. What I bought, this one is called the brow styling soap. Now I'm going to use a little brush. This one needs to be wetted first. And smudge into the soap to shape the eyebrow hair, to really lift them up. She did mention that she's not lifting all the hair up, it's more into a natural shape. This is the first time I'm using this soap, so not sure about the outcome, but I think so far so good. It does make my brow standing up, I think. I think that's about it. That's the best I can get. My eyebrow is as stubborn as my hair. Okay, then use the eyebrow tint pencil to fill up the gap, she says. Here, a little bit gap. That's about it, right? I think this is the best I can get. I think it's not bad at all. Have a look. This side I've done the eyebrows, this side without. Ooh. Effective, right? I'm impressed with myself. Ooh, I like the style. It looks very fluffy. It makes your hair very fluffy, and when I look at the mirror, it's literally just look like I have a very nice natural eyebrow. And how easy to achieve this result. That's most important. Let's finish the other side. Now finish both eyebrows. Oh. Wow. And the soap is quite good. It's really cheap. I think only about 19 yen, 20 yen. I think about a couple of quid. Well, this one is really good. It's kind of make my brow fluffy and understanding, and it's not like you know, have a whiteness. It's not really caking it up. It's kind of make it individually standing, which is really good. And you can use any eyebrow powder. Obviously, I'm using MAOGEPING one, which is also very good. It just suits my hair color better. This is all I used, and only in about a few minutes you can create a very fluffy, lovely eyebrow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hope you guys liked today's video. If you like this type of fluffy, natural, growing eyebrows, go and try out. It definitely works. And you can also see Alexandra's original video, which the link is in the description box. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to click the like button, and most importantly to subscribe my channel, and I will see you on my next one.